Hey guys, so welcome back and I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali, and I pray to God that all of you shine bright and may all your desires be fulfilled and you all do wonderful things in life. Now today is the last video of my Happy Diwali series and I'm super excited to be shooting this, and today is actually Diwali and I'm filming it today and I will be uploading it today itself, like late at night. So I just want to say that I am super excited and I'm so elated right now that I completed all my Happy Diwali series, and I just want to thank each and every one of you who watches my video, who leaves comments, or who just hit that like button, or you are subscribed to me. Even if you're not subscribed to me, not many of you know that I started my channel a year ago on Diwali itself. So Diwali is really special to me and I will be completing a year on 7th of November, which I'm very excited about. And now YouTube was something which changed my life entirely. Now I was this shy girl, super scared of coming in front of the camera or talking to someone about it. Like I had this dream of becoming a YouTuber for a year and a half and I was so scared to talk to anyone about it. Like I did not even utter a word about YouTubing until and unless I was sure, or until unless I had some idea of how you do it. But deep inside I just kept on searching, I just kept on what equipments you need or what kind of videos you should make or how I will manage my time. And now I didn't want it to be a YouTuber for professionally. Like I did not start it as a full timer. I just wanted to be out there helping younger generation like me, and I just wanted to make good content and share with all of you. And I am pretty much content and I'm very happy what I'm studying right now academically. I do not wanted to change my career, or YouTube was not the only choice that I had. I am very happy whatever things I'm pursuing in life. YouTube is an add-on and it's like something I was really passionate about, and this really helped me coming out of my shell, because I was this really shy, stupid girl who didn't know how to interact with people, and I took a year and a half to come out of my shell. And the first time I talked to a friend that okay, I want to become a YouTuber, like some people were very supportive and some even were a little bit hesitant because they were not sure if I could do it or not. And I was pretty much mentally prepared that I does not matter if people are supporting me or they're making fun of me or whatever it is. I just want to do it for myself, and I started YouTubing just because I wanted to do it for myself really badly, because I was in a loop and the life was so monotonous. Basically I was in a mess, so I just wanted to come out of that mess and I wanted to do something for myself which I'm proud of. This channel is like my baby. I have nurtured it so much. Like there were times when I neglected it because my life had other priorities. In all of my free time, what I do is film, edit, think about video ideas. Just do all these things whenever I'm not studying or I'm not doing my basic everyday errands. So I just want to thank each and every one of you who supported me in my ideas, all of you who watch my videos, who have subscribed to me, who like my videos or share it with your friends, or you just text me, DM me or comment on my videos. This just makes my day and I am so happy. Like I know I just hit 500 subscribers and this is a very small number for people. There are people who are hitting 100k and a lot of high numbers, but for me 500 subscribers were like a milestone. I was so happy to hit. Like I thought, like I have a family of 500 people now and I am entitled to them, and 500 people actually went ahead and subscribed to me just to watch my videos. That just the feeling is so, like I cannot even begin to explain what the feeling is. It is so nice. I know a lot of you might just feel that this video is very boring. That's okay, I just want to do it for myself. I really want to talk and thank each and every one of you. Like I know I've said this like a billion times already, but all of my friends, my family, my parents, my sister, and all of them who have supported me in coming out of my shell, and those who have even criticized me in a very positive way, and those who have even talked behind my back, or even if they have mocked me, that's okay. That just helped me in becoming what I am today, and I'm really proud of myself. I am super excited that I was able to finish this series. Now this was the first time I did something like this, because earlier I didn't have a proper schedule of YouTubing. Like I just used to make videos on weekends and edit it throughout the week and upload it. This time I was able to follow my whole schedule. I was literally on a loop, and there were a lot of things happening in my life, like literally a lot of things happening in my life, and I had in mind that okay, no matter what happens, I have to edit, I have to upload. I was so much into all these things, like literally you won't believe, I used to wake up at 3 or 4 in the morning, edit the video or give voiceovers, and then I used to put it on, upload and sleep, and then I used to wake up again at 6, shoot a video and go to college, and then come back and start editing. Like I was totally into all these things, and I was literally not sure if I could continue with this, but I was able to, and I'm so happy, and I promise to be more regular now. I will be completing a year on YouTube really soon, so I thought of doing a little giveaway. Now I do not have products with me right now. It's just a small gift that I bought for my subscribers. When I thought I would be hitting 500 subscribers, I would do that, but I was so busy that I could not just find time to do it, so I thought I'll do it today. Now I don't have that gift with me right now. It's just a small Oriflame hamper in which you have, I think, 4 things. You have a toner, a moisturizer, a scrubber, and a lot of things. I will include a picture of it in somewhere on the screen right now. This is just a small gesture from my side to you, and I know it's very small, but I promise to do a lot of more giveaways really soon. So yeah, this is just for a small Oriflame hamper. Now this is not a sponsored video at all. This is something which I bought for you guys a long time back. Like few days ago when I was shopping for Diwali, I thought, oh my god, I just hit 500 subscribers and I should buy something for my subscribers too. So I just got that thing. So to win this hamper, all you have to do is just follow the rules given in the description box, and be a subscriber of my channel, like my video, and just follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook page. And you also have to share this video. Like this is optional. Obviously if you're sharing my video, this would be more beneficial. So, and this also increases your chances of winning the giveaway. You just have to share this video on Instagram, Twitter or on Facebook. Wherever you are sharing the video, make sure you comment below that you have shared this particular video, or just tag me anywhere so that I know you have shared my video. And also just comment below if you have any suggestions for me or any video ideas that you want to share or anything that you want to say to me. Just comment below, and I would randomly select one of you for the hamper. I will probably do it on my Snapchat. I would randomly go to any website where you have a random selection, and I would select someone from the whole comment section. So yeah, make sure you follow me on all of my social media, and please do participate in this giveaway, because this is just a small gesture from my side to you. And yeah, that's it. I don't think so I want to say more, and I'm not a very emotional person, but today I just feel so emotional that I am doing this video, and I never thought I would be able to carry on with such a thing. Like I could even do something for a year and it would come out so beautifully. Thank you so much for each and everyone who is watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I don't know, I just thought of doing this very randomly. I hope this turned out really well, because this is not at all, I didn't think of doing it. I was supposed to do another video for Diwali, but this is just so random. I love each and every one of you, and I wish I could just go and hug every one of you, but I can't. So I'm just giving you a lot of kisses and hugs virtually, and thank you so much. And I hope to see you guys in the first week of November. I will be uploading a lot of videos for November, and also I will be completing 1 year on YouTube. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.